Giovanni Dennis with the Midday News. A special welcome if you're joining us online at onespotmedia.com. 3 men were killed by the police in St. Elizabeth and another is on the run. The incident followed an alleged shootout in Westmoreland last night. The police are yet to release the identities of the men. Another man was also captured in bushes this morning. O'Shane Masters has the details.
Do nothing more than that, you just lay down and clean up yourself.
The voice of an elderly woman speaking to our news team following the shootout between gunmen and police after the curfew last night in Westmoreland. It's reported that sometime around 11 o'clock, the police were on patrol in Kilmarnock when they signaled a car to stop. The driver disobeyed and sped off. This led to a high-speed chase which ended in a shootout.
It's reported that 3 persons received injuries and were taken to hospital where they were pronounced dead. A third person who escaped from the car, we understand, was held and handed over to the police.
The police say a firearm and 5 rounds of ammunition were seized. The car driven by the men was reported stolen in Westmoreland. One resident who wished not to be identified spoke to our news team.
I know, gunshot me here, man. So I must shoot out or something. You can't tell if I want to shoot. You have to call in my house. I just listen what I go on. But me really, you when the police there, so one of them I get where they see my ring and go down through the bush there. You understand? And me hear gunshots start rain again.
In the meantime, head of the Corporate Communication Unit at the JCF, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says one of the men so far has been identified.
What they knew about that individual was that it was just yesterday he was actually released from custody in granted bail. He's from a Spanish Town address.
She added that the Westmoreland police are investigating the matter. O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.
Delta